Oh no.
Hello there.
Go.
Well, hello there.
Hi! I like my nose right there.
Oh!
You fell on my dog! No.
Hi.
Your knee just cracked.
I know. Today we are...
Don't push me! Don't push me!
So excited. We're going to be having fireworks! Do you ever feel like a plastic bag, drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Hey, look! It's a bag. Yeah, this needs to go to recyclable bag.
Look at that! That's so cool. Okay, you can pause it now. It's on.
Do you ever feel so...
Wait, okay, now.
Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in?
I'm caught! Alex, you don't really look that good. I just got another phone! Is that my phone? What the heck are you doing with that? Oh my gosh, she's eating it! Pause it!
Do you ever feel already very deep, 6 feet under but no one seems to hear a thing?
Hello, you're in my room.
I'm 6 feet underground.
No, you're in my room, please.
I wonder why this cave is colorful.
Okay, no, you can get out right now. Come on! Eating peanut butter. Dakota! Come on!
Because, baby, you're a firework. Come on, show them what you're worth.
I got fire! You're a firework!
I'm dead.
Come on, get up! Sandy's like, get up!
Think.
Come on, get up!
Bye.
Is it on? Yes!
Bye. Go now, hobo. Go. You're dressed like
Alright.
one. Okay. That was the part of firework. Leave a comment in the comments box down there and subscribe us, please. And like us if you want to see Sandy and Drake, the singing dog, more.
Here's Sandy.
Oh, Sandy. Oh.
Alright. See you guys later. Bye.